The First Amendment to the United States Constitution is a powerful statement about freedom. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble, and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. These 45 words have shaped the nation for over 2 centuries. The Founding Fathers understood the dangers of unchecked government power. They had experienced religious persecution and suppression of dissent under British rule. The First Amendment stands as a bulwark against tyranny, ensuring that individuals are free to express their beliefs and hold the government accountable. It protects the rights of the minority from being silenced by the majority. The freedoms enshrined in the First Amendment are not absolute. They are subject to limitations, particularly when they clash with other compelling interests. The ongoing debate about the scope of the First Amendment is a testament to its enduring importance in American life. The Establishment Clause is a cornerstone of religious freedom in the United States. It prohibits the government from establishing or favoring a particular religion. The Founding Fathers believed that a wall of separation between church and state was essential for a free and democratic society. Thomas Jefferson, a key proponent of this principle, argued that government involvement in religion inevitably leads to tyranny. The Establishment Clause ensures that individuals are free to practice their chosen faith without government interference. It also prevents the government from using its power to impose religious beliefs on its citizens. The Supreme Court has consistently held that the government must remain neutral in matters of religion, neither endorsing nor inhibiting religious belief or practice. The Free Exercise Clause of the First Amendment guarantees individuals the right to practice their religion freely. This right is not absolute, but the government faces a high bar to restrict religious practices. The government must demonstrate a compelling interest and use the least restrictive means possible. Early colonists came to America seeking refuge from religious persecution. They sought the freedom to worship according to their conscience without government interference. The Free Exercise Clause embodies this fundamental right. The Supreme Court has heard numerous cases involving the Free Exercise Clause, protecting the right of individuals to engage in sincere religious practices. One landmark case, Wisconsin v. Yoder, involved the right of Amish parents to withdraw their children from public school after 8th grade, recognizing that compulsory education beyond 8th grade would interfere with their deeply held religious beliefs. Section 4, the arena of expression, speech, press, assembly, and petition. The First Amendment protects not only religious freedom but also the free exchange of ideas. Freedom of speech, press, assembly, and petition are essential components of a democratic society. These rights allow individuals to express their views, criticize the government, and advocate for change. Freedom of speech encompasses a wide range of expression, including spoken and written words, art, music, and symbolic acts. The Supreme Court has consistently affirmed the broad scope of this right, protecting even offensive or unpopular speech. Freedom of the press ensures that the public has access to information and a diversity of viewpoints. The right to assemble peaceably is essential for citizens to come together and express their views collectively. The government may regulate the time, place, and manner of assemblies, but it cannot prohibit them based on their content. The right to petition the government for redress of grievances allows individuals to seek change through peaceful means. Section 5, Landmark Cases, Shaping the Boundaries of Freedom. The First Amendment is not self-executing. Its meaning and scope have been shaped over time through numerous court cases. One such case is Texas v. Johnson, which involved the burning of the American flag as a form of political protest. The Supreme Court ruled that burning the flag was protected symbolic speech under the First Amendment. Another landmark case, New York Times Coe v. Sullivan, established the actual malice standard for libel suits against public officials. This high bar for proving libel protects the freedom of the press to report on matters of public concern without undue fear of litigation. In Tinker v. Des Moines Independent Community School District, the Supreme Court upheld the right of students to wear black armbands to school to protest the Vietnam War. The court recognized that students do not shed their constitutional rights to freedom of speech or expression at the schoolhouse gate. These cases illustrate the ongoing evolution of First Amendment law. Section 6. The First Amendment in the 21st Century, ever more relevant. The First Amendment remains as relevant today as it was over 2 centuries ago. In the digital age, where information flows freely and technology enables new forms of expression, these freedoms are more important than ever. The internet has created unprecedented opportunities for communication and the exchange of ideas. It has also raised new challenges for First Amendment law. Issues such as online hate speech, government surveillance, and the regulation of social media platforms continue to be debated. The First Amendment serves as a vital safeguard against government overreach in the digital realm. As technology continues to evolve, the courts will play a crucial role in ensuring that the First Amendment remains a vibrant and effective shield for freedom in the 21st century.